In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a silhouette in Photoshop in 2026 using the fastest and easiest beginner-friendly method. This is perfect if you want that dramatic black cutout effect for posters, thumbnails, social media graphics, or creative edits. The best part is you can do this in under 2 minutes once you know the steps. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to add a simple gradient background to make your silhouette really stand out. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Photoshop. Go to File in the top left corner, then click Open and choose your image. Try to pick a photo with a clear subject. A person against a simple background works best because Photoshop can detect the edges more accurately. Once your image is open, we're ready to isolate the subject. Next, go to the top menu and click on Select. From the drop-down menu, choose Subject. Photoshop's AI will automatically scan your image and select the main object. In just a few seconds, you should see moving dotted lines, also called marching ants, outlining your subject. If the selection looks good, you're ready for the next step. If it's slightly off, you can click Select and Mask to refine the edges, but for most images, Select Subject works perfectly on its own. Now we're going to turn that selection into a solid black silhouette. Make sure your selection is still active. Then press Shift and F5 on your keyboard. This opens the Fill dialog box. In the Contents drop-down menu, choose Black. Click OK. Instantly, your selected subject will be filled completely with black. And just like that, you've created a basic silhouette effect. It's clean, bold, and exactly what we want. At this point, you can press Ctrl-D on Windows or Command-D on Mac to deselect the selection. You now have a solid black silhouette, but the background might still be your original photo. Let's make this look more professional by adding a new background. Go to Layer in the top menu and click New Layer. Once the new layer appears in your Layers panel, click and drag it below your silhouette layer. This is important because we want the background behind the silhouette, not on top of it. Now select the Gradient tool by pressing G on your keyboard. If you don't see the Gradient option, click and hold the Paint Bucket tool to reveal it. At the top of the screen, click on the Gradient Preview and choose a bright, colorful gradient. Orange to purple, blue to pink, or a sunset-style gradient works really well for silhouettes. Once selected, click and drag across your canvas to apply the gradient. You'll immediately see your black silhouette pop against the vibrant background. And that's it. You've successfully created a clean silhouette in Photoshop. This method is fast, beginner-friendly, and works in the latest 2026 version of Photoshop with AI-powered selections. If you want to take this further, you can experiment with white silhouettes by filling with white instead of black, or try using layer masks for a non-destructive workflow. You can even create double exposure effects by clipping images inside the silhouette shape. If this tutorial helped you learn something new, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.